I remember making a lemon meringue fudge, but it turned out an orange colouring. So we had to sort of reinvent that and try and get around explaining why the lemon meringue looked orange. Hi, my name's Glenn Houston, and I'm one of the partners behind Granny Shaw's Fudge Factory, and the other partner being my wife, Rhonda. We're a family business, and we love the shop. We just love talking to people, meeting and greeting, whether it be locals or whether it be tourists going around the North Coast. It really started as a hobby about 4 years ago. A small batch, pot, stove, for some local craft fairs that my wife was involved in. The fudge sold particularly well, so the idea came, is there a way of making this more into a profitable business and really upscaling what we do. We have a large industrial sized kettle, which means we can churn up to 25 kilos of fudge within an hour. We do have a big glass front to our shop where you can see the fudge process happening right before your eyes. You'll find that it's silky smooth, and that is the difference with the kettle churn fudge. We just have it really well refined, so you're getting the absolute premium product. We're very blessed to have some of the best butters in the world here, so we either use Ballyrashane, the Coleraine based butter, or Dale Farm butter, so that's typically what goes in. Here you walk into our shop and you can see just a wide range of different flavours, so for instance the raspberry ripples to our lemon meringues, fruit salad fudge, and even the chocolate honeycombs. Honeycomb obviously being a great product on the North Coast. Bubblegums, iron brews. Our favourite and our best seller is our sea salted fudge, and we use some sea salt from Lotchley North Coast Smokehouse, and they supply us with that. People have come in and asked, can you make us a particular flavour of fudge? Candy floss I think was the last one that we done, and we're more than happy to oblige. Well, this year we've really been working hard at getting out to retail. You can find our fudge at the Rink Ice Cream Shop, the Goldens Visitor Centre, Carnfunnig Park, and lots of other places around the North Coast. We're very, very lucky to be in Glenarm Castle grounds. It's a stunning location. If you want to go out for a day and experience something a little bit more tranquil and have a wee sample of fudge, well then Glenarm Castle is certainly the place to go to. We're looking forward to a great show at Balmoral, showing our products off to other buyers, as well as people just want to come in and try a little sample. It's our first year doing the full 4 days. Previously we've only dropped in for a day at a time, supported by our local council. So this is a big step up, it really is, and we're looking forward to it.